Welcome to the shop. It's a new day, a new week, and we have gotten a bunch of stuff painted red. So there's one more thing left to do. The wheels are all painted silver. I painted some body plastics a while back, so those are definitely dry. Everything's been drying over the weekend. The wheels and tires, those are all ready to go back on. So right now, I think I have a little bit of black paint. If not, I'm going to go out and buy another can. But right now, we're trying to collect together all the stuff that needs black paint, like the gas cap. And then we are going to take the rear wheels off, bag the handlebars, the side cover, and some other stuff off, and paint the whole frame. Just give it some black paint. So we swept up and set this girl in the jack stands. So I'm thinking about, I did a little bit of sandblasting on it, so I think I want to go back and do some more. I painted the brake without taking it off, so now I got silver all over it. So this here needs to be painted. There's a couple odd spots, all around it that need paint. So it'd be good to scuff the rust off. This whole frame is pretty heavily rusted, but not to the point of being broken. And then, I'm not sure how we do it, but just try and not paint the engine. So I might try bags. We'll see what we do. But, so the only real thing that's painted on the engine is the heat shield on the exhaust. So I thought about blasting that all back. You could probably work some plastic bags in there and get that pretty well sealed. And then it's the engine side cover, pool cover, and the gearbox that are painted black. So I could probably do that with a paintbrush too. So I'm not sure what we'll do. Oh yeah, of course the dashboard needs paint. So this is what it actually looks like. Alright guys, we've been sandblasting for some time now, so I think it's fair to set you guys up and let you watch for a little bit. So let's go over, I'm going to show you a little bit what I'm fighting and dealing with. So we got a rusty cover. I want to hit that rust spot. We're going to paint the muffler, so I'm going to try and get a little bit on that. There's a lot of stuff you could take apart and disassemble the frame, do every bit by bit, but I think I'll get some tape on that connection, tape up the tail light, and some of this is going to be tricky. Right now I'm going to focus. We've been doing around the welds, all different places like that. Even sandblasted these races just to be aggressive. So in these fins, let the camera focus. So that's what we got blasted so far. But down there I want to get some more. And like the end cap of the starters is silver, the middle is black, and the other end cap silver. So some of that stuff is just not going to be practical to do anything with. I'm not sure what we'll do. I'm still tempted to paint the whole thing black. It'd be cool to do a black engine, let the fins bear aluminum, but here we got that starter's going to rust, that tie bolt's going to rust, all the bolt heads on the engine are going to rust. Everything's going to get wrecked, so it'd be pretty stupid of us if we didn't paint it. Alright guys, welcome back to the end of the episode. So last night I got this mount painted black. We got some of the engine bagged off. Some other parts around the wheel are bagged off. Some places are actually still tacky. This was really thick in the gun when it sprayed. So I've been working on other stuff in the meantime. But we're very excited. Last night I went out and got a couple root beers. Some craft root beer. I went through the store. They don't have alcohol there, I don't think. And ended up finding that, so that was really nice. Had some root beer, came back out here and painted it. So I'm incredibly excited. This is the turning point in the project where stuff finally starts going together. There was one more item. That was the front forks. They needed to be rebooted. So that's going to be the next episode. We already got that done. We were going to put it in the episode, but it didn't fit. So it's going to be a little thing of its own. But this, guys, is the turning point. I'm so excited. I can't wait to pull plastic off this thing and start putting on parts. I can't wait till the moment when we turn on the lights, got all the decals and stuff on it, and actually hear it run again. No more exhaust leak. No more oil leaks. Good front and rear brakes. A choke cable. So, with that said, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the very next episode. I hope you're as excited as I am. See ya.